Tanushka joins us, and Tanushka has been covering aviation for us. Tanushka, the thing about aviation tragedies is that probe gets announced, investigation gets done, but there's never a final report to reflect on learnings. The same thing seemed to have happened in 2023 as well. There's no final probe report yet. We don't know what went wrong in 2023 with the same aircraft that crashed today and took away the lives of 5 people. What happened? Why did it take 3 years for the probe, and why is there no report yet?
Precisely, these are questions that we still have in our minds with respect to the same aircraft, Learjet 45XR, that had crashed back in 2023, as you were mentioning, and this is the same aircraft that has crashed today, leading to the demise of Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. Now, let us first look at the sequence of events, the timeline. So, 8:10 a.m. this morning is when this flight takes off from Mumbai Airport, and thereafter, 8:30 a.m. is the first landing attempt at Baramati, which fails, likely due to poor visibility. This is something that the pilot also makes very clear to the air traffic control. He warns that there is poor visibility before attempting landing. So after this, there is the second go around. That is, the aircraft was cleared to land on runway 11 at 8:34 a.m. However, again, they did not get a readback of the landing clearance, as in the ATC did not get a feedback with respect to the landing happening or not. Thereafter, 8:42, second approach for landing happens. 8:45, aircraft disappears from the radar, and after that, 8:40, just moments later, it's literally seconds later, that the ATC saw flames around the threshold of runway 11, and emergency services were rushed onto the site. So this is the exact sequence of events that we have gotten. We do understand that this aircraft has been cleared, has certificate of airworthiness, has certificate of registration as well, but even then this went ahead and happened, and we're of course awaiting a final report from the previous crash as well. And on this crash, of course, it remains to be seen what really went down, but the pilot did alert the ATC, air traffic control, about the poor visibility while trying to land at the Baramati airport. Back to you.